Don't ruin your nice-looking charts with these awful slicers. Instead, let me show you how to make these visually appealing slicers. First, click on the chart, then click on the Insert tab and select Slicer. For this example, we will select Country, Product, and Years. Hold Control and select all of the slicers, then right-click, select Slicer Settings, and click on Hide Items with no data. Now, duplicate the boring-looking slicer style, rename it, and click OK. Now we have a new custom slicer style that you can apply to all of your slicers. Right-click on it and select Modify. Click on Whole Slicer, select Format, and change the border outline to white and fill to blue. Then format the header by changing the fill to blue, no border outline, and text to white. Then format Selected Item with Data and change the fill to white. Now, format Unselected Item with Data by changing the fill to blue and font to white. Click on Hovered Selected Item with Data and change the fill to white. Finally, click on Hovered Unselected Items with Data and change fill to blue and text to white. Wow! Now we have our nice custom slicers. We just need to adjust the column amounts, resize, and reposition them. Now you can filter your data by multiple criteria in style. Like and follow for more tips.